At Huvant, we have transformed medical training by bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. We start from clinical imaging and turn anatomy into something a surgeon can truly train on. Not a generic mock-up, but a model that looks, feels, and behaves right under the hands. Imagine replicating a human organ not only in shape but in its mechanical and functional response. With our solution, surgeons and residents can rehearse techniques on haptic models that react to pressure, traction, and manipulation in a way that closely mirrors biological tissues. The core of our innovation is a proprietary materials library developed in our laboratories to overcome the limits of standard 3D printing. Those materials allow us to reproduce organs and anatomical parts with clinically meaningful textures and compliance, including specific diseases or malformations. That means training can be aligned with real pathology, rather than with simplified, ideal anatomy. In practical terms, our haptic simulators provide a valuable integration to cadaver-based training, with the added advantages of availability, repeatability, and pathology specificity. Our models fit naturally into daily workflows, ready for immediate use with classical and modern surgical tools and imaging techniques. They respond like biological tissues to ultrasounds, radiofrequency, electromedical equipment, and are compatible with robotic systems. We offer standardized product lines for areas such as neurosurgery and nephrology, and we also provide bespoke, on-demand solutions for individual clinical cases, where a team needs a pathology-specific model to rehearse and prepare for a complex intervention or to test and validate a new medical device. We work alongside medical device companies, hospitals, and universities with one clear goal: safety. With our haptic models, those who care for us can enter the operating room with far greater experience and manual precision, making every surgery safer for everyone.